The one person business no one talks about, but it's already working in my town. The fastest way to stall in 2025 is trying to go viral before you build something real. Now, while everybody's chasing scale, that's all you basically hear on the internet these days, we've decided to go the opposite, small, and build a media business in our own neighborhood. And guess what? It's paying the bills, at least some of them for now. But it's gonna get better. Just watch. If you're a solo creator, a parent, a student, maybe even a burnt out entrepreneur, you've probably felt this. You want something that is yours. You want to make money without faking it. You want to create, but without selling your soul. But every path you look feels bloated, oversaturated, or just plain fake. We felt that too until we asked a different question. What if your audience didn't need to be global? What if it was already around you in your city, your street, your neighborhood? Everyone's trying to build followers. We decided to build trust where we actually live. We stopped optimizing for likes. We started optimizing for relevance, for relationships, for real income. That's the foundation of what we call one-man media, a one-person business built on local attention. One town, one newsletter, and now sponsors are reaching out to us even with a small subscriber base. We didn't go viral, no, not at all. We went hyper local and it worked. This isn't some new hustle. It's actually ancient. We're talking about church bulletins, corner newspaper, local TV. The difference is now you don't need a printer. You don't need a team. You don't need permission. What you need is consistency, a system, and a commitment to show up for your town like it's your business, because it is. When we stopped chasing every new platform, it just focused on serving one area very well, everything got easier. And it was no joke how much easier, because you have more clarity, there's more purpose, and much more leverage. This model works whether you're 14, like my son, he started, or you're 40. Whether you're a creator or not, it can work, and it does work. Your town doesn't need another influencer. It needs a media owner. Just imagine this. Your town gets a newsletter you write. Local brands pay you to feature them. You get recognized at your local coffee shop, not because you're famous, but because you're useful. Your kid sees you building something real and joins you. You own the media that helps local people connect, shop, and grow. That's one-man media. That's the vision. Not content for clout, but content for community. And going forward in this crazy AI world, that's what we're about. We're doing this already. It's not theory. It's not passive income porn. We're in it, we're building, and now we're helping others do the same, town by town. If this resonates with you, if you're just tired of shouting into the algorithm and want to own something real, there's a link in the description. Just join us. The earlier you start, the more you own. I'm Harry with the Empire Next Door. Build the audience, own the growth. Take care. Talk to you soon.